Transportation is mission-critical infrastructure where safety, reliability, and trust are non-negotiable. Every train movement, flight operation, and passenger journey depends on systems performing flawlessly under constant pressure. Behind every safe departure and arrival are teams responsible for designing, integrating, and operating critical, highly complex systems. For these teams to succeed, they must be aligned, resilient, and able to adapt in periods of change. CDW helps rail and airline organizations design and operate these environments through our SmartLab for transportation. Operational safety and reliability improve when technology, operations, and business teams share a common mission. When teams understand the why of how safety controls, operational processes, and enabling technologies are interconnected. And when they experience what many organizations have called the aha moment that reshaped how they maintained safety and continuity during ever-changing conditions. This one-day, hands-on experience sparks new ideas, helps teams work better together, and aligns leadership. Reduce operational disruptions, improve incident response, strengthen safety and compliance, and increase service reliability with our SmartLab for transportation.